Hey there, this is Mark Up with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm at my latest South Portland listing at 36 Acorn Drive. I know you're going to love it. If you are looking for peace and serenity with a nice buffer space between you and your neighbors, this is the house for you. And it's really close to Portland and South Portland Community Center, Willard Beach, all those things. Let's come take a look. As you can see, this is a really attractive two-tone gray home with beautiful gardens, nice rhododendrons, beautiful flowers, and lots of green. We've had a lot of rain, so if a yard wasn't green, I'd be a little concerned. So this is your space out front, and you've got a nice little raised spot for just an afternoon lunch or tea. And then we'll head in through the front door and take a look. I should point out too, before we go in, this is all that hardy board, which is wonderful and pretty easy for low maintenance projects. And as I come inside, you'll notice you've got a large formal foyer here with the living room on one side, formal dining room on the other, and a nice circular floor plan. So why don't we follow the dining room here. Very large kitchen. I love the sink. And you'll notice the stone countertops. And to the right, there's a good sized pantry here. So if you are looking for storage, this house has a ton of storage. And then there's closets on either side here. The family room is right over here with the fireplace. And this is a great sunroom. Please notice you've got your heat pump up there, and this could be used in a variety of ways. Great spot for a home office, nice little art studio, or just a sunroom. So, and then as we head through the down the hallway on the first floor, you've got a full bathroom in here, and the laundry is here as well. So here's your laundry space. And your stand-up shower is right behind me. And then as we go down here, you've got your good-sized coat closet. Primary bedroom, good size. I mean, you could fit 2 king beds in here if you wanted. One for you and one for your animals, and a very large walk-in closet. And the other side is the primary bath. Got the tub, stand-up shower, and large double vanity sink here. So let's go to the second floor, and you'll see that there's the bedrooms and a home office up there. So as I come up to the top of the steps, you'll notice you've got a full bathroom over here, the nice blue tile flooring, and a home office. So this is a 4-bedroom house with an office. The septic system is made for 4 bedrooms. And you have your cork flooring throughout the second floor. Got a bedroom over here that has a nice skylight. Got the second bedroom on the second floor. This also has a skylight. And as we come down the hallway, some nice bookshelves, and then the third bedroom. Let's hop down into the basement, and then we'll go out to the backyard. So downstairs, we have doors to the garage. This is a garage right over here, and it's currently being used as a workshop area. And there's another 2-bay garage as well. So we're not going to go into that one. You've got a good-sized either storage room or another interior workshop space here. And as we go around the corner, you'll see finished space for hangout room. This is a great party house. The current owner used this space as a studio. They've cleared it out a bit. But it could be a bedroom and a little living room space if someone wanted. Again, 4-bedroom septic. And you've got a full bathroom in here with a stand-up shower. I think you're going to love the vanity here. And let's head out back. I'd love for you to see the backyard. If it were a little warmer, I might hop into the pool, but it's only in the 60s, but what is it? Early June still. It will warm up, but when it does, you will love this pool area. Great for entertaining, and you've got all this nice Trex decking, and then you've got a second layer, a second level deck here, which is this is a great party house. So if you want your family to stay around town, stay here, this is the house for you. And we have these nice fields over here. There's a treehouse in the backyard, so really cool space. So please set up a showing. Give me a call if you're not working with a realtor. If you are working with a realtor, give them a call. It's easy to show. We would love to have you take a look. Thanks for watching.